How to cook cod in a lemon and parsley beurre blanc. Hello everybody, my name is James Howe and this is Chef at Home. I aim to give you some inspiration for you to make better food at home. In today's video, we continue on with my how to cook masterclass. So let's get on with the lesson. Alright, so in today's lesson, we've got another practice dish. And this is the final video on this level or unit or whatever you want to call it, looking at these compound sauces. So the first thing we're going to do, arm yourselves with a bowl and pour in 150 grams of breadcrumbs, something like that. You don't need many. Break off a little bit of parsley and just give it a really nice rough chop, and then into those breadcrumbs. Little mix up, some salt and pepper. Lovely. Okay, grab yourself out a tray. Just get a piece of baking paper or parchment paper, whatever you've got, and then grab your cod fillets. Just lay them on the paper. Usually when you're putting crumbs on things, so a bit of chicken for example, you put it through a pan, which is dipped in flour, dipped in egg, and then dipped in breadcrumbs. Because this fish is quite moist already, all we're going to do is a little splash of oil, probably about half a teaspoon on each, and then sprinkle your breadcrumbs over the top. And then a little bit of lemon juice over that. And that'll be more than enough to create this crumb that we're going for. So whack your oven up to about 200 degrees Celsius and place this fish in there for around 6 to 7 minutes. And that gives us just enough time to prepare the sauce. So we've been through this one already, but we'll just run through it again. So white wine into the pan and vinegar with the addition of finely diced shallot. I now just need to reduce this down till it's come to a syrup. Again, just like before, prep the butter, cut that into cubes. You got your lemon, you got that ready for the juice. And then some flat leaf parsley. Get rid of any of the big stalks like that. They're useful for other things, but they're not needed in this right now. So this bit is a proper test of your knife skills, because we're going for really fine diced parsley. But we've still got that aim of doing it in as little chopping as possible, because we already know with herbs we don't want to leave the flavour in the chopping board, we actually want it in the food. So that just means every time that you're going down with the knife, you're moving a small fraction across, because you only want that one run across the herb. Okay, wine reduced in with your butter. And whisk. Like something like this, it's so simple, it sounds very posh, but it is just a really simple process. If you knock this one out for friends or family, be an absolute hero. Now we've got our base ready, we're going to throw in our enhancements. So off the heat while we do this, so we can control it. In with your lemon juice, and after each ingredient, whisk it through. Our parsley. Last but not least, a dash of cream. And what you'll end up with, lovely beurre blanc that's been enhanced. We've added some flavours to it. The addition of the cream just gives it a little bit of extra body, a little bit silkier. We're just about ready to serve. So to serve, take your beurre blanc. I'm just going to place it in the centre. I'm going to use it also as a sauce, yes, but also as a bit of a bed. So give it a little bit of helping hand, shape it as neat as a circle as you can manage, and then a couple of taps under the plate and just help spread it out so it's a little bit more stable. And then grab your fish, just gently place in the centre. Serve that with a side of veg and potatoes, you'd be an absolute hero. That is a crusted cod with a lemon and parsley beurre blanc. Let me know how you get on. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.